Okay, so today is a big day. We're getting this thing ready for paint. We're getting all masked up right now. We got it washed yesterday. We let it drip dry overnight. We finished blowing it off with air, compressed air this morning. Getting it all done. So we're getting it all masked right now, getting it ready to go. We have the back doors, the side doors are already hung. Getting them all ready to go. We took out the power window units because we're going to spray in there too when we do it. That way the Dynamat will stick in there better. We got the heat going right now. Got everything masked up that needs to be masked up because everything else is going to be black. Not too worried about the inside of the bed. We just need that to be smooth. A little bit of overspray that'll get on it, and that'll be fine. But all the important things are done up. All the wiring and everything that's up inside here, it's all masked up and covered. So it'll turn out really good. So we just went ahead, took 2 pieces of tape, masked off this section right here, and added our seam sealer in here. And what this is doing is it's gonna seal up the 2 gaps right here. That's not like it came from factory or nothing, but when you paint this, what happens is you get a little bit of water up there from the rain, and it ends up dripping out the rust drips and looks all nasty and tacky on the back of that. So we covered it up with the seam sealer so it prevents that, and then everything's going to be painted black, and so it'll blend together and you'll never see it and you'll never have that issue. We're also getting the rest of this wiped down right now with wax grease remover, and what that does is it uses via magic to get all the wax and the grease and all the contaminants and all the gross nasty shit that the paint's not going to stick to. It gets rid of all of that and allows paint to stick to it better.